Hello everyone and welcome to More to Explore. I am Miss Natasha and today we will be using the sun to make art. We'll be creating sun prints and here's my example. Okay, in your kit you will find one piece of cyanotype paper. What's not in your kit but you will still need is cardboard and tissues and a running faucet, which most people have it. So the first step is to choose the different foliage that you would like to use for your sun print. Choose a variety. Pick some flowers, pick some leaves, pick some branches, and put them together like a little bouquet. Once you've got that collection, add it to your paper. Okay, so what I did is I found a spot that was very sunny, no shade. I placed my cardboard down on the sidewalk and then my cyanotype paper from your kit, and then I put my foliage on top of that. So I put the cardboard there so my paper wouldn't get wet or dirty from the sidewalk, but that's entirely optional. You could just put the paper on the sidewalk and then all of your foliage. It's up to you. Also, even better if you have a backyard or private patio, somewhere where you know no one will touch it, no dog, no pet, that would be best too, because you don't want anybody to move any of your foliage. Now just leave it for 15 minutes in the sunlight. All right, after 15 minutes, go ahead, take your foliage off and bring it inside. Rinse it under cool water or warm water. I've tried both and they both work. And then watch how it changes right before your eyes. Last but not least, go ahead and use those napkins. Open the napkins and let that dry on top of them. Pretty neat. You use the sun to make art. So you can go ahead, put it up on the wall in your room, frame it, do whatever you'd like.
Did you know sun prints work by two crucial molecules in the paper interacting and forming a new molecule? Their interaction is initiated by specific wavelengths of ultraviolet light. The new molecule is colorless so that as the blue molecules are converted, the white of the paper base begins to show through. Areas of the paper covered by your object still contain the original blue molecule, so they remain blue.